Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is still June the 3rd, mid-afternoon. I just got done with a great lunch meeting and I'm flying high. I'm super excited. You know, sometimes you go into a situation, a meeting, and you're like, man, this is too good to be true. This can't be happening. Something has to go wrong. Could someone wake me up? This is going too strong. It's going too good. Well, that's what I thought for the last 3 hours. Say the last 2.5 hours. And sometimes things just go together exactly the way you planned, exactly the way, God intended it to be. So I am super duper excited. And your brother's finally caught a break. Super happy. And for those of you that are out there that don't know what I mean, don't worry about it. Sometimes when life tries to give you lemons, you got to make lemonade, and that's what I did today. Super proud of myself. There's something to be said about perseverance and grinding and just hanging in there. And in the end, when you put in the effort, when you put in the effort and the dedication and you make the right relational connections, things will fall in place. So again, I'm buzzing today. Things went well, and that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And this will all make sense soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.